Hello everyone, welcome back to the Red Channel. So guys, how are you all doing today? I sincerely hope that you're doing exceptionally well. So in today's video, we are going to engage in some proper price action trading, alright? And we will be carefully placing our labels. And then, strictly according to those specific labels, we will be executing our trades right here. Okay, so let's quickly find the most suitable chart. Okay guys, so right now, I will meticulously set this particular value to 100. Okay, so now we are going to proceed with trading here, and I will precisely put the necessary labels. First of all, if you carefully look here, it appears that the market could potentially be at some significant levels. If I were to place just one single level, it would definitely be this particular one right here. This specific level will be our primary label, and if we were to place a second distinct level, it would certainly be this very one, alright? And if we then add a third additional level, then that will indeed be our third and final level, okay? So, if you happen to see any other potential level situated around this general area, you can certainly add one more as well. So here, I'll carefully place this label right here, precisely with this one. It clearly formed here, so this is a significant level. Next, with this current candle, we can confidently go for the downtrend direction, alright? I've placed it here for the downtrend because the market ultimately closed around this very same level. See, last time when the market actually hit the grid, after that, a distinct red candle formed, then another green candle subsequently formed for a brief retracement. Now, the market can suddenly drop down and may follow through even further, potentially continuing its downward movement. But again, I will say the very same thing. There are definite chances for the market to go down, and there are also significant chances for a green candle to form. So when you are actively trading, you absolutely need to understand that anything can truly happen here. Anything at all can happen. There is no secret magical strategy that will guarantee you 100% profit. There is absolutely nothing like that. Everything in the world of trading is such that as you trade and gradually learn and gain experience, you will start to truly understand things. After that, you realize, okay, this is a level, there could be a trend here, or there could be some psychology at play, so that's what it is. Otherwise, there's no such really big strategy or secret trick here that will truly guarantee you 100% profit, okay? So, as you can clearly see, our trade is already in significant profit. Now, what did we do here? What exactly did we do here? We have carefully placed a label here. Let's precisely mark the significant level from where the market truly turned red. If we want to accurately define the resistance level above, we absolutely have to look at the prominent red candles, 1, 2, 3. There's been a very significant downtrend from this particular point, which clearly means there are strong and active sellers sitting here. The market is coming down 10 times, and there are indeed sellers present here as well. The market has come down 3 times here too, so there are definitely sellers here as well. That's precisely why the market formed so many distinct red candles. If we learn to place those crucial levels properly, then we will become truly good and proficient traders. I'm certainly not saying that if you simply understand these fundamental and crucial top things, you will automatically make consistent profits here. It's definitely not as straightforward as that. Profit and loss are both parts of trading. Both things happen. It's not like only one thing will happen. Losses also occur here, and so do profits. So always keep this important point in mind. In trading, when you invest, it's not always guaranteed that you'll always be profitable. Both potential things can happen. You have to carefully consider both things. Here, after the clearly formation of this red candle, a distinct green candle formed and then another red candle formed. That means there is some crucial level here. Now, let's properly mark that significant level, alright guys? So if this particular green candle forms right here, and if this crucial level of ours, this is indeed the seller's primary level. Alright, like if this is our established seller's level, and if the market decisively breaks this important level right here, then we can confidently take a trade in the clear upward direction for the expander, guys, okay? Because if you carefully look at the various levels here, where exactly is our second significant level forming? Our second important level is forming right here. This is precisely the level. Alright, this is our second key level. I'll just move it a little bit lower, just a touch. This particular level is right around this wick. Okay guys, so right here at this precise moment, I have pressed for one single downward trade, guys. Alright, placed at the level, our trade, the candle has closed. If the market goes further up, I will consider that trade as down, guys. So that's fine, guys. So I have placed 3 trades here. For every next candle prediction, we have predicted here that the market can form a lag candle because at our added level, the market has closed. Let's see, guys. Okay, guys, you can see we have 5 seconds left and the trade is right here. Now you saw how I placed the trade here. Look, first of all, I marked this level here. Why did I mark this level? If you look at this level, you'll see a strong red candle has formed, which means there's a significant level here. Okay, so we considered this level then There was a significant breakout in the market, and after this breakout, the market clearly moved upward. From here, it precisely reversed, so where the market reversed, the sellers from before, now these sellers are going to effectively shift here. Alright, so we shifted this crucial level of sellers to this new location here. Alright, you can clearly see this. You can indeed definitely see it right here. Alright, and the market closed exactly at that precise level. That's the trade for 2, and when the market subsequently went further up, I then placed 3 additional trades there. So here, a pretty solid right candle has formed. The way we meticulously analyzed it, we specifically chose the market only for a significant downward move. So, if you truly understand the inherent depth here, if you genuinely comprehend the intricacies of trading, and instead of merely looking at what most people typically usually look at, if you keenly focus on the crucial things you observe, the critical levels, if you can accurately identify those specific things, then you can potentially take very profitable and successful trades here. Alright guys, I'll just place one more additional trade, so let's patiently wait for the opportune moment. Meanwhile, let's quickly open another chart here to monitor the situation. Okay guys, so now we're on the AUD-CAD chart, Here, the market is currently in a buying trend. Alright, so now let's identify a strong level here from where the market shows signs of selling. Okay, if we can spot where the selling happens, and if the market breaks through that selling point here, then we can consider an upgrade, alright? Okay, so this is the selling point. If the market breaks through here, so we can clearly and distinctly see a significant movement in the upward direction, alright? Okay, this is our primary selling zone. I'll extend it a little bit further. You might potentially find proper selling opportunities here. Okay, if there's a significant breakout, if it goes down and then subsequently up, and if it decisively breaks here, so we can consider a buying trade, otherwise we will consider a downward trend. Alright, as far as I can clearly tell, there's a definite upward movement, but since the current trend is indicating a downward direction, we can strategically go for a red candle. Otherwise, let's carefully observe what precisely happens next. Okay, so guys, I've confidently taken these trades here for an anticipated upward move. 2 trades are fine because the market looked like it was breaking, but suddenly the market closed on the downside. So this could also be a kind of error candle. So if the market comes down a little more around the sell area, then I will consider 2 more trades, alright. Guys, I have actually taken 2 distinct trades here because the particular trade we initially placed on the upside seemed a little bit different. Alright everyone, let's take a moment here and observe the situation carefully. We need to patiently wait and see how the market unfolds before making any further moves or conclusions. It's crucial to understand the dynamics at play. So what has transpired in this particular instance is quite clear. Our 2 distinct trades, which were strategically placed with the expectation of an upward movement in the market, unfortunately did not pan out as anticipated. Both of these positions, despite our initial analysis and hopeful outlook, ultimately resulted in a financial loss. This outcome means that the capital allocated to these specific trades has been diminished, leading to a negative return on those particular investments. It's a setback that requires careful review and consideration for future trading strategies. As for the 2 specific trades that are shown below, we carefully place them around this particular level, and if the market ultimately closes above this point, that is precisely why I have strategically placed 2 trades here for a significant downward move, guys. If the market goes up just a little bit more, then more trades can certainly be placed. Okay, I have carefully placed trades here for the anticipated downward move. You can clearly see here that there was indeed a very significant movement. Look closely at this particular candle. After this specific level, the market actually went up, then formed a distinct red candle, and the very next candle touched it and subsequently came down. The exact same situation is happening right here. The market initially formed a green candle, then a red candle subsequently formed, and after touching this crucial level, the market can potentially form another red candle. So we have confidently pressed for a downward trade here. So let's carefully see what exactly happens here. Okay, we currently have 4 trades running simultaneously. It absolutely has to be a red candle because only if a red candle forms will we truly be able to make this trade profitable. Okay guys, let's see what unfolds. You can clearly see here that our trades have all become wonderfully profitable. The way I meticulously analyzed the previous psychology here, a good strong green candle formed, then a red one, then another good strong green candle, and after that a red candle ultimately formed. After the green, then the red, and then there was a very significant downward movement. So we took full advantage of that here and placed the trade, and you can see precisely how we made the trade profitable here. Okay? And whatever happens, whenever you engage in trading, as soon as you secure your profit, you should immediately exit. There's absolutely no point in staying in the market any longer. If you stay, it can potentially lead to a loss for you because what you have successfully made can also be lost right here. You have to carefully consider what you will do the very next day. So this is precisely how trading is effectively done. So guys, I sincerely hope you liked it, learned something valuable, or found it genuinely useful. Thank you so very much for watching this entire video. Bye bye.